50 interesting facts about space. Space has always interested people, because our lives are connected with it. Space discoveries and exploration are so exciting that you want to learn more and more new things. Today, space is the most discussed topic. The mysteries of space never cease to amaze people. Space is something mysterious that you want to study. 1. On October 4, 1957, the first satellite was launched and flew for only 92 days. 2. 480 degrees Celsius is the temperature on the surface of Venus. 3. There are a huge number of galaxies in the universe that cannot be counted. 4. There have been no people on the moon since December 1972. 5. Time passes much slower near objects with strong gravitational force. 6. All liquids in space freeze and boil at the same time. Even urine. 7. Toilets in space are equipped with special protective belts for the hips and feet for the safety of astronauts. 8. After sunset, you can see the International Space Station, ISS, with the naked eye, which revolves around the Earth. 9. Astronauts wear diapers during landing, takeoff, and spacewalks. 10. The doctrine believes that the Moon is a huge piece that was formed when the Earth collided with another planet. 11. One comet, caught in a solar storm, lost its tail. 12. The largest volcano, Pele, is located on the satellite of Jupiter. 13. White dwarfs are the name given to stars that lack their own sources of thermonuclear energy. 14. Per second the Sun loses 4,000 tons of weight. Per minute 240,000 tons. 15. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe arose approximately 13.77 billion years ago from a certain singular state and has been expanding ever since. 16. At a distance of 13 million light-years from Earth there is a famous black hole. 17. 9 planets revolve around the Sun, which have their own satellites. 18. Potatoes are shaped like the moons of Mars. 19. The first time traveler was cosmonaut Sergei Avdeev. It rotated for a long time in the orbit of the Earth at a speed of 27,000 kilometers per hour, and therefore ended up 0.02 seconds into the future. 20. 9.46 trillion kilometers is the distance that light travels in 1 year. 21. There are no seasons on Jupiter. Due to the fact that the angle of inclination of the rotation axis relative to the orbital plane is only 3.13 degrees. The degree of deviation of the orbit from the circumference of the planet is also minimal, 0.05. 22. No one has ever been killed by a falling meteorite. 23. Asteroids orbiting the Sun are called small astronomical bodies. 24. 98% of the mass of all objects in the solar system is the mass of the Sun. 25. The atmospheric pressure at the center of the Sun is 34 billion times higher than the pressure at sea level on Earth. 26. The temperature on the surface of the Sun is about 6,000 degrees Celsius. 27. In 2014, the coldest star of the white dwarf class was discovered. The carbon on it crystallized and the entire star turned into a diamond the size of the Earth. 28. Italian astronomer Galileo was hiding from persecution by the Roman Catholic Church. 29. In 8 minutes, light reaches the surface of the Earth. 30. The Sun will greatly increase in size in about 1 billion years. At a time when all the hydrogen in the Sun's core runs out. Combustion will occur on the surface and the light will become much brighter. 31. A hypothetical photon rocket engine could accelerate a spacecraft to the speed of light. That its development, apparently, is a matter of the distant future. 32. The Voyager spacecraft flies at a speed of more than 56,000 kilometers per hour. 33. The volume of the Sun is 1.3 million times larger than the Earth. 34. Proxima Centauri is our closest neighboring star. 35. In space, only yogurt will remain on the spoon, and all other liquids will spread. 36. The planet Neptune cannot be seen with the naked eye. 37. The first was the Soviet-made Venera 1 spacecraft. 38. In 1972, the Pioneer spacecraft was launched to the star Aldebaran. 39. In 1958, the National Space Administration was founded. 40. The science that models planets is called terraformation. 41. The International Space Station, ISS, was created in the form of a laboratory, the cost of which is $100 million. 42. Mysterious dark matter makes up most of the mass of Venus. 43. The Voyager spacecraft carries disks with congratulations in 55 languages. 44. The human body would stretch in length if it fell into a black hole. 45. A year on Mercury lasts only 88 days. 46. The diameter of the globe is 25 times larger than the diameter of the star Hercules. 47. The air in space toilets is cleared of bacteria and odors. 48. The first dog to go into space in 1957 was a husky. 49. There are plans to send robots to Mars to bring samples of Mars soil back to Earth. 50. Scientists have discovered some planets that rotate around their own axis.